Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Reach Their Breaking Point with this entitled bully.
On July 29, 2024, officers responded to a residence for a report of a domestic battery.
Yeah, go on me. It's all me. How you doing? Can I come in there and talk to you? Yeah, absolutely. It's all me. Step outside then? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Well, are you guys serious? Step outside. Let's talk. Tell me what's going on. Just so you know, I have a body camera on. It's recording everything.
I don't really care.
What's going on?
Me and him are wrestling.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Why are we wrestling?
For fun.
For fun?
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You guys arguing? Well, not really. I mean, were you
Have
guys...
you never, watched UFC fighting and, wanted to do, no?
Not to the extent to where we're getting called in.
Okay. Well,
Were
then
you
maybe.
guys, arguing about something?
No.
going on?
I said, let's play the UFC fight.
Okay. Is that what he's going to say?
Absolutely.
Okay. You look like you've been hit a couple times in the face.
No.
No? You
No.
look like you got bruises.
No, I don't.
Hands all red.
No.
Okay. We have some alcohol beverages tonight.
No.
Don't lie to me.
I don't need you here. Why are you here?
We're here to see what's going on.
I'll show you what's going on.
Okay, hang on.
No, let's go in.
No, we're staying out here.
No, we're not. We're going into my apartment.
Do not put your hands on me. Step back out
I
here.
better touch you. Make sure this is
Step
on
back out over
camera.
here. It is
I
on
touched
camera.
you?
Step back over
I
here.
did not touch you.
You didn't say you did.
No, she just said I touched
Step back
her.
over here.
Stand over here.
I will, but
I
really?
need you to calm down for just
I need you to now say I touched her.
You just did again.
Really?
Yes.
Are you guys
Stop.
You're gonna stay here. Okay?
Take a step
You're
back.
gonna talk to her.
Really?
Listen, we just
Don't say that shit. You're fucking psycho. Do not say I touched you. I'm going into my apartment.
calm down.
Correct? Am I going into my apartment?
I tried to talk to you in your apartment.
Oh
We're
my
trying to stay
God.
out here and talk.
Well, we can go to the apartment. Don't say I touched you.
Calm down. Take
No,
a deep breath. Take a
no.
deep breath.
Just breathe.
No,
We'll get, no,
so-
no, you can't touch me. But hey, we'll get all this figured out, all right?
Okay. I want to go to my apartment. He said I touched her. I didn't touch her. Don't say that shit.
Okay. Let's get this
Okay.
figured out.
So can I
No,
go
no,
to
no,
my
no, no, you cannot yet.
Okay.
Okay? Not until we figure
Okay,
it out.
that's
Hey,
fine.
hey, we'll get everything figured out. We just gotta get stuff figured
Fine,
out.
but don't tell me I touched her. I didn't touch her.
Okay. So, take a deep breath. Okay. Cool?
Well, not when somebody's...
Stop. You're not cool if you just start yelling. Just take the deep breaths. Start breathing. Get all this figured out. Okay? This your first time the cops being here?
Yes.
Yeah? Ever? The first time ever cops?
No.
Okay. We haven't. This isn't our first time either. So we're gonna figure it out.
And you're not Derek, are you?
We've all been through this before.
You're not Derek, are you?
Derek who?
Derek. How about you call Derek?
Okay, well,
He's
I'm
been here.
gonna call Derek, okay?
Call Derek.
We'll get all this figured out.
Call Derek.
Did you already get her F5?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Are you guys fucking...
Yeah, no, we are.
Then I'm going inside.
No, you're not. Not yet.
No.
No.
Dude, you're not going to tell me
Yes.
what the I'm going to
You
do.
are gonna get in legal trouble for no reason. Honestly.
You're going to tell me what the to do?
I am until we figure this out. That's
Okay,
kinda,
I'm going into my apartment.
That's
Right
kinda
now
the
we're
issue
not.
Right now
we're standing here and figuring out what's
Okay, we
going
gotta
on.
figure out what's going on in his end.
If you
okay?
tell us what's going on, the sooner we can get you back
Oh
into your
my
apartment.
God, what do you want to know?
So what
Call
happened?
Derek.
Can I get your basic information real quick? Can we do
No,
that?
can I get your basic information?
Yeah, Beckett, badge number 515.
Perfect.
What is your first name?
Get some backup, please. Because I want to go to my apartment. You cannot force...
I can keep you guys.
No.
At this point in time.
I promise you, I've been in the law. Work for State Farm.
And I've been
You
doing.
cannot-
I've been doing this 15 years.
Okay, you cannot
What we're gonna
hold
do is
me.
we're gonna
No.
figure out. Nope.
You cannot hold me against.
We can. Hey, no. You want to talk?
Let's go. Tell me the law.
We can talk law all day long.
I'll tell you
We
the
can
law.
absolutely detain you until we figure out what's going on. You're
You
going to get
cannot
in legal
detain
trouble.
me.
Why are you getting in trouble right now?
You're not detaining me.
If you keep trying to go in there, we are going to detain you. I'm gonna
I
put you
don't
in
give
stop.
up.
Stay
You
silent.
are not
What's going on?
detaining me.
Back
For
up.
me.
Back up.
Stop.
Really? Really?
Seriously, why are you
Stop.
doing
You
this?
guys-
Stop resisting.
Why are you slow? Okay, yo, would you see that? Really?
Okay. Sorry.
Really? Worth that's what I'm saying. I didn't say it. I haven't done nothing. I'm literally, I am calm. Come out here. Worth, please. I've been calm the whole time. You guys,
For no reason.
you
Literally all for no reason.
why are you doing this? For a job? Why are you doing this?
Literally for no reason.
What did I do?
We're
What
gonna put
did
you
I
in a
do?
small car real
Okay,
quick.
what did I do? I want to know.
You put your arms on me and
I did
you
not
put
do-
your hand on me and you tried to go around me.
Really?
You did. You put your hands on me.
Oh my God, you're retarded. I put my hands on you because I touched you to get in my door. Are you? I didn't know that. You, I literally.
You have got to quit moving.
I
Quit
literally.
moving.
I put my hands on you because I wanted in my door.
Sit down. Put your hands
So
down. Sit down.
I literally touched
Sit
you.
down. Sit down.
I barely
You're getting it.
Why are you saying that?
All right.
I barely touched you.
It's all on body camera.
I barely touched you. I swear to God.
Enough. That's enough.
Stop.
But I'm saying, I barely touched you. I was trying to get in my door. So I touched you?
Yeah, you did.
Oh my God, you guys arrest people for that? Get me the...
Got her together. Got her right, boy. Act right, man. She is so intoxicated that she does not have a clue what's really going on. Honestly, you could tell. You could look in her eyes, knock, knock, nobody is there. You can't touch the cops, you know what I'm saying? As little as it is, or it may be a little, you know, it's gonna be stretched into a bigger deal, you know. One thing about the ladies, man, you do not want a lady cop, boy, because she gonna get you together. You see, when the guy showed up, he was a lot more understanding, calm, cool, collected, and the lady cop did a good job too. You know what I'm saying? But she was definitely gonna get her act together if bruh man didn't show up there. You know what I'm saying? Good thing he showed up when he did, because yeah, she was gonna get her together. But when the guy cop showed up, you know, he was definitely like, you know, breathe, you know, yada yada, trying to use his de-escalation tactics. He did a good job. I'm not gonna lie, he did the best that he could, but she already had her mind made up that she was just gonna make this very, very difficult. Now let's see what the actual victim has to say here, because they wrestling. She said they wrestling like this was WWE or something like that. This ain't no WWE, you know what I mean? So it's like, okay, wrestling, right?
Yeah, you did.
Oh my God, you guys arrest people for that? Get me the... Like, all the way?
Well, just so you don't get ran over by this car.
Get these off. Can you get these off?
No,
please?
we're not taking the cuffs off. Absolutely. I already let you out of the car, which is way more than I need to, and that's because you were just hyperventilating. So we're gonna have medical check you out, and then we're going to jail.
Fine.
So
Perfect. For what? Going to jail for what?
Well, here's
Tell
what,
me about
see,
what
this
I'm
is
going
what,
to do.
This is why we can have a conversation between the two of us. Because every
What
time
am
you
I
ask
go-
me, stop. Every time you ask me something, you start yelling at me.
No, no, no.
Okay.
I
let's
wanna
see
know
what-
why I'm
okay,
going
let's
to
try.
jail.
You were going to jail for aggravated battery of a police officer? Yeah.
Who did I...
Deputy Frost there.
Remy.
Because,
and
why?
then-
Because I
then-
touched...
then after
Wait
you-
a minute.
See,
Because
you're
her
yelling at me.
hands on the hand.
You want it-
That's
you want-
fine.
you want
Let's go. Let go. Lawyer.
Okay, please don't ask me in 2 minutes why you're being arrested again.
Lawyer.
Okay.
Touched you because I grabbed my door on my apartment. Let go. Let's go.
You still want
Ready?
the ambulance?
Ready.
You want
Ambulance and a lawyer.
Okay, you want the ambulance, okay.
Both.
The
We'll
lawyer
get the
you can
ambulance
see
first.
tomorrow.
Yeah. And we'll see. That's my door of my apartment.
I
I
know it
didn't
is.
touch you. Let go. Lawyer.
Well, at that point, when we're here, you don't have the right to reach for it.
I have... Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know my rights.
You should.
Mother... Really? I didn't know couldn't reach for my apartment that I pay for.
Not when There's a deputy standing.
Oh, is that the right?
That is
Let it go. Lawyer. Lawyer.
I'm not asking you any questions.
Lawyer. What?
So
I'm
go back,
willing.
real quick.
Lawyer.
Real quick, yeah, that's what people normally
Lawyer.
do when they ask for an attorney. Everybody just
Lawyer.
be quiet. So we're all gonna be quiet now.
Yeah.
You ask for an
lawyer.
attorney, let's everybody be quiet.
Lawyer. Lawyer.
We got an attorney.
I'll be out tomorrow.
No, wait, you asked for a lawyer. You can't talk to
I
me.
bet you $1 million I will be.
Okay.
Touch you. Yeah, I do.
Okay.
You have paid attorney. You don't know who the I am. Tipman. Look it up. Look it up.
We know who you are.
Oh, you think... See?
Stop.
See?
You better calm down.
Just enough of that.
See?
Just
See?
enough. About enough
You
of
gonna
that.
kick me?
No, I'm not.
Don't be
Get
doing
me
that.
up.
Sit down.
Get up. Don't touch.
Oh, you're sitting down.
So why...
Because you just
You're
acted
up.
like you were gonna kick me.
No, I'm not. I'm getting up. Are you guys...
Are we?
It's all on body
Can you
camera,
put-
so.
You should have learned the first time.
No, that's why I called you.
We're gonna have them check you out real quick. You're
No.
gonna stay down.
So why? It's okay for you to touch me?
Yes, yeah.
No, it's
Yes.
not.
Yep. Touch your
Lawyer.
shoulders.
Okay, perfect.
It's all on body cam.
And
Talk
I
to your
didn't touch her ever.
Talk to your attorney.
I will.
You don't need to talk to us.
I don't need to
You have
talk
no
to you.
reason
Get
to
the
talk.
f out.
You have no reason to talk to us.
I don't need to go, Mr. Go.
Back in.
Don't
Okay.
do
Are you
that.
serious?
I'm trying to
You're
get
not.
up.
No, you are not. You're
I
trying
am
to act
try-
like you're kicking at me.
Can I get up or not?
You
We
cannot
told you
until
several
they
times
the
no.
handcuffs
No.
right here.
No, you cannot.
Why can't I get up?
Because we told you to.
No, you are not. God,
You are aggravating this situation way more
Please.
than you need to, as always.
officer.
You're
Who
an
the
officer.
f- you think? I'm talking to you. Who the fuck you think you
All
are?
right.
God,
I've had enough of that.
God, that was a bug.
How old are
You
you?
dumb bitch.
How old are you?
Is that
How old
really?
Are you? Yeah, how old are you?
Don't worry about it.
Are you in your 20s, 30s?
Are you God? Are you God?
Oh, Deputy
Is he God? Are they God? Why are they holding me down?
So this is
Let him.
this is the medics,
Please,
okay?
no. Tell him.
Check you out because you were hyperventilating.
No. Tell him to get off me.
And then once that's done, we're going to be going
Tell him
to
to
jail.
get. Tell him to get off me.
Take a look at you.
Where you want? You want her up or?
Why the am I going to jail?
We've already explained that to you.
No.
And you said
Explain it
you
again.
want the lawyer?
Explain it again.
No, just ask your attorney.
No.
Just ask your
Explain it again.
No.
Is it okay if we take a look
No.
at you?
No.
Can I touch you to take a
No.
look? Because I'm a paramedic and you
No.
were
No.
hyperventilating. We
No.
wanna
It's
check
fine.
you out.
No, I'm good. Why am I going to jail?
For
Explain
aggravated
it.
PO.
Are you refusing
For what?
medical service?
Aggravated battery.
For
police
what? For
officer.
me reaching for the door?
Do you want to see medical?
No.
All right. Let's go jail then.
I don't give a. Why am I getting?
This is such a big waste of time, you know? They have to call the medics when somebody asks for something or asks for them. The medics get all the way there and then it's like, no. You know, it's like on one hand, I mean, easy work for those two, right? Because they don't actually have to do anything. I'm talking about the medics. But on the other hand, there are other civilians and stuff like that that's out there that probably actually does need some attention, but they're so busy dealing with this person that it's taking them away from other people, which is the bad part. You know, you're just wasting everyone's time, man. Lock her up. And she's trying to kick you and stuff like that. It definitely was kicking motions. That ain't no getting up. So she need to be charged. They need to find a charge for that for sure.
Why do they get to grab me?
You keep resisting. You want to I can take
not.
her.
Are you sure? Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm going to jail for what?
Aggravated battery.
For what?
Have you searched me yet?
No.
Are you guys crazy?
Real quick.
Why am I going to
Stay right
jail?
Stay right here.
Seriously? You're really?
Quit moving.
I'm.
You gotta quit moving.
Are you guys serious? I'm not
Quit
11.
moving.
Yeah, you guys. Like got it. I can't move.
Okay, we're searching for your bra.
Go ahead. Which one are you? Why are you grabbing me if she wants to reach for my bra? Really? Are you serious?
So serious.
Go for it.
Okay. All right.
Left it all.
Yeah. Do me a favor. Have a seat in there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So serious.
For what?
Have a seat in there.
What?
Because you're not listening.
I can't get my. All right, perfect. Got that on camera, right?
Yep.
You guys are aggressively. Look at my wrist. Get the. Why are you?
Do not.
You're not doing anything. Get the.
I can't get it all the way up there.
Really?
That's going to change everything.
What?
The woman was charged with aggravated battery on law enforcement, resisting arrest, and domestic battery.
My bad, I ended it a little bit too early, but it was resisting arrest and domestic battery. Those are the other two charges. But anyway, man, what a crazy video. It always amazes me, that cops do the pat downs with no gloves on. I mean, when I was a correction officer, I don't care. That motherfucker gonna sit there for a minute, get your hands on the wall. You gonna sit there for, hold on, let me get my gloves together, because I don't know what you got that could poke, stick, stab, meat, whatever. I don't know. I'm not touching you without no gloves now. It gotta be a real quick, like, emergency where it's like, you got no choice but you gonna sit right there. Don't move now, because I might have to get you together. be easy, okay? Be real easy. But these cops out here, they just no gloves, no nothing. I'll be like, God damn, like what? Then wanna cry wolf when they gotta go on the cocktail because they reached in, got poked by something, and now you gotta go under protocol and go on the cocktail. We call it the cocktail, but it's pretty much a drink that you gotta you drink it for like I think a week or two, and then it's supposed to help make you not get like catch anything like HIV, AIDS. It's supposed to fight against that if you drink it fast enough. But anyways, if you get put on that protocol. But yeah, this was just a complete shit show, man. So anyway, I think the officers did okay. I think it was just too much of the chit chatting and all of that. I mean, so I give them 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.